Welcome back everyone. Today's installation couldn't have come at a better time. It's absolutely roasting outside today and we've been fitting a brand new air conditioning system just in time for the hottest weather. Luckily, this one's a nice back-to-back installation, meaning the indoor and the outdoor units sit on opposite sides of the same wall, making it for a quicker install. Let's get started. You really couldn't have picked a better day for air conditioning. It's boiling. Jobs like this remind us why demand for air conditioning keeps growing every year in the UK. Customers aren't just buying them for the heat waves anymore, they're using them for the heating in the winter too. We start by marking out the indoor unit before drilling straight through to the outside. Back-to-back installs keep pipework short and neat, making the whole system look really tidy once finished. The outdoor unit is mounted, all services connected, and pipework neatly trunked. Any floor mounted units that we install, we ensure that we put them onto these anti-vibration feet. They allow to reduce down the amount of vibration that the outdoor units produce. I'll leave you now for a moment to just enjoy the video of the installation, and I'll check in a little bit later just to let you know how we're getting on. Before starting the system, we carry out all the usual checks: pressure testing, vacuuming. It's tempting to rush when it's hot outside, but at this stage, this is a stage you never want to skip. Doing it properly means a reliable system for years to come. Last few bits of connections here: the communication cable for the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. Moment of truth: power on, cooling mode selected. Within minutes, we're getting lovely cold air. Standing in front of the unit after working outside all day definitely feels like the best part of the job. A happy customer, another air conditioning system ready for summer. If you're thinking about getting your air conditioning installed, don't wait until the middle of the heat wave, because that's when installers are at their busiest. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.